How to fix Fortnite split screen not working. Hey guys, let's get started. In the last version of 27.10 update, Fortnite temporarily disabled the split screen functionality. It was due to an issue with the ready up and keep playing together buttons. These buttons were not working properly from some players, causing them to get stuck in lobby or lose their partners. So this is why Epic Games had temporarily disabled it, but currently it has been resolved and it is re-enabled. So now you can easily access the Fortnite split screen. But if you cannot, here are some of the troubleshooting steps. First one is check for the latest updates and update it from the console. After that, you can restart your console once and check your display settings. Make sure it is set to split screen mode and also check for your controllers. Once, try to clear your cache and change matchmaking region as well. After that, you can open Fortnite on your desired console, ensure two controllers powered on and connected to same system, follow some of the easy on-screen prompts, queue into the lobby with your friend and enjoy the feature. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.